Red Basil species, also known as Red Rubin, Dark Opal, Purple Ruffles, and others, are similar in shape, size, and taste as sweet basil. Basil is one of the most popular herbs grown in the world. It is native to Asia, India, Pakistan, Iran, Thailand, and other countries, and can be found growing wild in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Because of its popularity, basil is often referred to as the king of herbs. Red basils are compact basils with reddish-purple foliage and a delightful aroma. The small pink flowers are an added bonus in mid to late summer. The plant is ornamental, medicinal, and the leaves can be used for cooking or to make flavored vinegars. The flavor is a bit more pungent than other types of basils, so use it sparingly. Basil will improve the vigor and flavor of tomatoes planted side by side. Also good with asparagus, oregano, and peppers. Basil helps repel aphids, asparagus beetles, mites, flies, mosquitoes, and tomato hornworm. Basil contains volatile oils that can be diminished by high heat and long cooking, so add it to your favorite dish at the end for maximum flavor. Basil is a good source of vitamin K, iron, and calcium. It also contains the compounds of eugenol and rosmarinic acid, which increase the production of dopamine and serotonin in the brain, helping to boost one's mood.